So it's the month of March and you're just looking for the best free movie and TV show websites where you can access the best content absolutely free and without requiring any kind of registration. Now the first one we have in the list, mybundle.tv. Now when you access the website, you'll see that it doesn't require any kind of registration. We can see some popular content directly on the home screen, but there are certain movies and TV shows on this website that will require some kind of subscription. Because we're interested in free content, I can go to see all here. And let's now select the websites that we know we can watch content absolutely free. So if I select Crackle, Plex, maybe Pluto TV and Tubi TV. So we've got 4 here. Let's click on save. And this will now filter out the content to make sure everything is accessible absolutely free. Here, for example, we can see we have The Contractor. Let's click on that. It says I can now watch this on Plex. I can click on watch now. This opens up another tab. I can click on play. And in less than 5 seconds, with no adverts, with no interruptions, we can go ahead and enjoy The Contractor, and that's working great. So that's the first one in the list, which is mybundle.tv. Next one in the list is called the CW, and we can see this website supports series, movies, and even sports. We can see the trending now section. We can see recently added. Then we have different sections for celebrating Black voices, all of the drama, let the truth prevail, you should be watching, odysseys and adventures. Let's say, for example, we want to look at this Party of 5. I can click on that. Give that a second. We can see we have multiple seasons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And without pressing anything, we are taken straight into episode 1, the pilot for this particular series. So works really well, really fast. And I didn't see any adverts before this episode started. I can also click on movies at the top. And we can now see a big list of movies, all of your favorite genres, different categories, from action to adrenaline rush to family movies, holiday movies, all of that stuff. For a quick test, let's look at this 24. Just to show you that it's not just one TV series or one movie, because this is an official licensed website. All of the content will work. It'll work straight away and you won't see any kind of buffering whilst enjoying this content. And I'm taken straight into that movie, 24 Hours to Live. And of course, I've got all of the controls here. I can forward that to the middle just to show you that it's working properly. That's working great. Next one in the list is archive.org. Now, the Internet Archive is a massive repository. We're talking about terabytes of data, everything from software to movies to ebooks to videos to pictures. All sorts of content is available directly on the Internet Archive, which also means that you can search for public domain type movies. So searching for a movie in here, and let's just try something like, hey, we can see something here. Let's click on that. I can click on play, and in a couple of seconds, and this website doesn't have any adverts, you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free. And again, with no interruptions, no adverts, no pop-ups, we are straight into that content. And that's working great. It's a classic Clash of the Titans there, which is archive.org. And as I mentioned before, you really can search for any movie, any software, anything on here, and it should be available for you to access. Let's back out of that. The next one in the list is Plex TV. So a massive website. They have lots of live TV channels, but they also have a great section for free movies and TV. So I can click on that and we're now taken into a massive library. All of your favorite movies like Reservoir Dogs, like Chain Got a Gun, Black Stories, binge-worthy shows, romance, most popular, recently added. Here, for example, we can see for a quick test, we have Lion. Let's click on that. We can see exactly who stars in this particular movie. It's a drama, it's a biography. I can click on play and literally within 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.5, we are straight in there. So that's working great. I can forward that a bit and we are taken straight into that. Let's close that down. So lots of different content, lots of different categories, different sections. I can also click on live TV and I can now see the entire program guide. So hundreds and hundreds of channels with that fully working program guide. And I can go ahead and enjoy all of this content directly from here. So next up we have Vudu.com, and as you can see directly on the homepage, they have a massive library of absolutely free to watch content. There is a section here on the homepage where you'll see some premium content, stuff that you have to pay for. But again, as we're only interested in the free content, I can click on free here. Now, for example, I can watch free movies, free comedies, horror, TV, new releases, top 200. Here, for example, we can see this season of The Witch. Let's click on that. It says it's free with adverts. I can click on that, click on play, and in a couple of seconds, we are straight into that broadcast. And that's working great. Now, Vudu does have one of the largest free libraries, so if you're looking for the most content, the most movies, the most TV shows, definitely give Vudu.com a go. And again, all of this content without requiring any registration, I think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. You got all-time favorites, hidden gems, top TV series. You can go to the top. If I'm only interested in adventure, I can click on that. This will then filter out the content and show me the adventure-based movies and TV shows. Next up, we have tdoctoruk, and really if you are looking for one of the largest libraries of free movies, TV series, and even live TV channels, I'd say the tdoctoruk website really does take the crown in this, because as you can see directly on the homepage, they've just got so many movies, so many popular TV shows, and they also have that live TV with the fully working program guide. Here you can see some of the movies leaving soon, lots of different content. You got black cinema, you got thrillers, you got recently added. The recently added is basically updated all the time, as these guys are constantly updating their content with newer movies, newer TV series. So even if you have seen this website before, it's always worthwhile coming back, checking out the recently added section, as I'm sure you'll find something of interest. Here we can see the very famous Batman Returns. Click on that, click on play, and you can see, guys, literally in a couple of seconds, without seeing any kind of adverts, any kind of pop-ups, we are in Batman Returns. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. So you can see lots of different genres. At the top here, I can go straight to TV shows. And I just have pages and pages of very, very popular TV series, recommended TV, new releases. You got some cooking stuff, horror, lots of different things. Let's go back to the top. Then you got the live TV section. Let's click on that, just so you can see the sheer volume of content in here. And you also get that fully working EPG, which is the electronic program guide. And this will tell you exactly what's on now, what's coming up next. And you have hundreds and hundreds of different live TV channels from all over the world. So that's the third one in the list, which is tdoctoruk. Next up, we have the Roku Channel, and this is a great website where you'll be able to access lots of very, very popular and recent movies, TV series, and these guys also have a great library of live TV content. You don't need to create a free account. I can close this down, and we can see now the Roku Channel gives you thousands of free TV shows, hit movies, and 350 plus live TV channels. So really a great all-in-one website. You can see here, this is the live TV content. Then you got the comedy section for movies. You got some Matilda, you got other stuff. You got a section for not on Netflix, so more indie, more original content. You got sitcoms, you got Leaving Soon, you got Trending Now. You got Spanish content, you got TV series, Armchair Detective, characters, lots and lots of different genres. You got spotlight movies, you got reality, game shows, food and travel, holiday, all of that's on here. Again, without any registration or any login, all of this content is available on therOkuChannel.com. So that rounds up this March edition of top movie and TV show streaming websites that you can access 100% free and without requiring any kind of sign up. Just do always pay attention to my virtual location that you can see underneath my name, just to ensure that you do have the correct IP address from the correct location, so you can access all of this content. Now, if you are looking for a super fast VPN with amazing speeds, helps you unlock content from all over the world, right now IPVanish are doing a special promotion for the next 2 weeks for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, You can download content, you can stream content, you can take advantage of this new advanced threat protection. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. It is only there for the next 2 weeks. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.